All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 FLHR Road King. Now, besides the strikingly beautiful paint job that this motorcycle has, this bike is equipped with really nice chrome ape hangers with custom grips and Vance & Hines pipes. Now, it has the Screaming Eagle mufflers, but it's got the Vance & Hines headers, which is always a nice touch to a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. But the ape hangers really set this motorcycle off. I love Road Kings, but I really love Road Kings with ape hangers. If you want to come down and take this bike for a test ride, you can do that as long as you have a motorcycle endorsement. If you want the specs and pricing on this bike, check us out on the web, desertwindhd.com.